Um, it's a rough season. I managed to get into top 100, but not 50. And in the last day of the season, I dropped to 400 something while I was going for my last chance. The lesson is probably I need to do it earlier. Well, it's a new season and it's always a good time to play something not so mainstream. Try to get a feeling of tier 2 or maybe tier 3 decks and rethink how good or how bad they are. And this time, it's Mech Druid. I know, Mech Druid is not something new, but what makes my version different is that I include 2 Gs, which help me to replenish my hand after I unload my hand using Innovate or Map Warper, or try to draw into my combo to finish off my opponent ASAP. So far I had good result with this deck, so let's get into action.
Versus Garrosh.
Victory or death! I must protect the wild.
Keep the Innovate, of course. I think I don't want my Ancient Lore. Otherwise I need to play him on turn 5 even with Innovate. Damn. Of course it's so hard to play Sylvaners and Ancient Lore. Well, I guess I'll wait for a turn. I'll place an Ortron here. Yeah. Hopefully I can get one more mag next turn.
Armor made to fit.
Sweet. And play them.
Hurry up! Portals online!
Shield Slam. So it's a Control Warrior. Might have a Death Spite.
Let the pain speak to me.
Alright, Pain. I can either kill Acolyte of Pain with this one or this one. I think I should kill this one. He doesn't use his execute to kill this one, so to avoid getting Taskmaster or maybe Whirlwind, I think I don't want to hit with this one. So I get 2 double for 2. Anyway, this board isn't afraid of Brawl. I still have quite a lot of minions, even if he brawls.
Some still fun.
Execute. What does he have? I'm not sure whether I should play Ancient Lore or Doctor Doom this turn.
I can take the hit.
He might have a big game hunter in his hand. I think I'll just wait a second. Let me close this. All right. I think I better play Dr. Boom now. And I might want to invade and hero power this turn rather than killing my an old Tron. He better have BGH. Shield block BGH. Right. I'm not sure whether I should play my Sylvaners. I think I need to draw more cards. I think I really want to draw into my combo. Jace. And play Sylvaner when he has something on the board. That should be quite a trouble for him if I do that. And he needs to play around. He thinks he needs to play around a combo. But actually he doesn't have to.
Made to fit.
Right, Savage for all. Do I have lethal? 8, 10, 16 and Keeper 17, 19. No. If he doesn't use his Shield Maiden, I think I already have
What?
lethal. Anyway, I wanna play my Sylvaners now, as well as my Spire Tank, and he'll need to brawl next turn.
I have no time for games.
Do I go face? Do I go face? Well, I think I go face. Yeah, I think I go face. I think Ancient of Lore going face instead of killing his Armorsmith is better, because and I execute, I guess. Because I don't think he can gain 5 damage. Oh, bro. Right. Ding ding. Cool. No, execute. Haha. And 6. Oh. 19, and I think we have Leafer now.
Let none survive.
Sweet.